Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name: red color, yellow color, black color, blue color, green color, and white color. Kids now coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color the alphabets of A. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat, the alphabets of B. Kids now C. C for cat, C for car, the alphabets of C, and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E. Kids now draw numbers. Kids first draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use black color. O N E 1, 2, T W 2. Kids now draw 3, the numbers of 3, and use blue color. T H R W 3. Kids again use blue color and draw 4. F O U R 4. 5 F I V E 5, the numbers of 5. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.